Warning parents! Every parent wants their child to grow up confident, responsible, independent, and smart with money. But here's something most parents don't realize: money habits are not taught in one day. They are built slowly at home every single day. Without meaning to, many loving parents are actually teaching confusion, fear, and unhealthy money habits. These are mistakes can confuse kids, create bad spending habits, and make money stressful for children. Today, we will reveal the biggest mistakes parents make when teaching kids about money, and more importantly, simple practical ways to fix them. So mistake number 1, avoiding money conversation completely. Many parents believe kids are too young. Money will stress them. They will learn later in life. But here's the truth. Kids are already learning about money, even if you never explain it. They learn by watching how parents shop, how parents pay bills, how parents argue about money, how parents react when money is tight. When money is never explained, kids get confused. They think money appears magically. They don't understand efforts or value. A child may think ATM gives money, parents always have money. What to do instead? Talk about money in simple, calm words. Explain where money comes from. Explain that money is earned, not magic. For example, Papa goes to work and money comes from that work. We save money so we can use it later. Even a 5-year-old can understand. Money comes from work. Small conversation today create confident adults tomorrow. Mistake number 2, giving pocket money without responsibility. Many parents give money because kids ask, kids cry, kids compare with friends, parents feel guilty. At first, it feels harmless, but slowly it teaches kids. Money comes easily. Effort is not important. Spending has no limit. The child starts thinking, if I want money, I just need to ask. So, what to do instead? Link money to small effort. Keep task age appropriate. Teach the idea, earn before you spend. Simple tasks can be cleaning toys, watering plants, organizing books, helping fold clothes. Explain clearly. When you help, you earn. Effort, reward, learning. This builds confidence, not entitlement. Mistake number 3, forcing kids to save without explaining why. Parents often say, put it in the piggy bank. Don't touch your saving. But kids don't understand why they are saving. So saving feels like punishment, restriction, loss of freedom. Kids may think saving means I can't enjoy. So what to do instead? Explain saving with goals. Let kids choose what they want to save for. Show progress visually. Examples: if you save 10 every day, you can buy your toy in 10 days. Use jars or boxes labeled save, spend, give. Saving with purpose is smart saving. Mistake number 4, protecting kids from every money mistake. Parents often say, no, that's a waste. You will get regretted. Parents may mean well, but here's the truth. Small money mistakes are powerful teachers. If kids never make mistakes, they don't learn consequences. They don't develop judgment. They fear decisions. So, what to do instead? Allow small, safe mistakes. Let kids spend their own money. Talk after the mistake. Ask, how did that feel? Would you do it differently next time? Mistakes today is equal wisdom tomorrow. Mistake number 5, very common and very harmful, using money as a bribe. Example, I will buy you a toy if you behave. You will get money if you study. This teaches kids money controls behavior. Learning is only for rewards. Emotion is money. Children stop asking, is this right? They start asking, what will I get? So, what to do instead? Separate money from emotions. Reward effort, not obedience. Use praise, time, and attention. Money is a tool, not a remote control. So, mistake number 6, only teaching earning and spending. Money education is complete without giving, kindness, sharing. When kids learning giving, they develop empathy, they respect money, they feel gratitude. So, what to do instead? Encourage small donations, teach helping others, talk about kindness, explain money can help others too. Kind money habits create happy lives. Let's recap the mistakes. Not talking about money, giving money without effort, forcing saving without meaning, never allowing mistakes, using money as a bribe, forgetting kindness. Fixing these mistakes doesn't need more money. It needs awareness and intention. Parents, remember, your child's money habits begin at home. Teach money with patience, understanding, real-life examples. If this video helped you, make sure hit the like button, share with your other parents, and subscribe to Tiny Money Tales because smart money habits starts early.